Hello, I am the Dreadlock Diva next door and welcome to my channel. I know I have been away from YouTube for a very long time. Actually, I haven't been away from YouTube. I'm always in the comments of a lot of people's videos, but I have not made any videos of my own in a number of years. So I did want to come on. I've been inspired to refresh my channel. So I did want to come on and do a refreshing of my channel, a new video. So since previous videos have been all about my hair, my loc journey, I thought I would start off by giving you an update on my loc journey. So I have been locked since December of 2011. Yes, locked since December of 2011. That's when I started my loc journey. It is, of course, now 2021. And so I've been in the loc game for a while now. So this is what it is looking like right now. This is typically how I wear my hair. I may, sometimes I may, I always have a hair tie on my wrist. I always have a hair tie, so I'm always either have it in some type of ponytail or whatnot. So, but this is how I've been wearing my hair. And again, I'm going to start, this is a refresh of my channel, and I did want to come on and start making more videos. And I typically get my hair cut every couple of years because I really don't like my hair in general too much longer than my bra strap length in the back. So I typically go to the stylist and he cuts my hair every couple of years. But with all of the chaos of the world that's been going on since 2020, I have not been back to the salon. So it has just been growing. I've just been letting it grow. So this is the length that it is right now. This is the length that it is right now. And I'll stand up so that you'll get a better view of what my locks are looking like right now. So I did also want to give you an update on some of the products that I've been using. So as for some of the products, shampoos, I typically rotate shampoos. And right now, the shampoo that I'm using right now is Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo for all hair types. It's by Giovanni. Let's see if you can see this. It's by Giovanni. And this is not a sponsored video. This is just different products that I use for my hair. I like the shampoo because it does give me that tingling sensation on my scalp, which is very helpful when you have, I have dandruff. My dandruff is kind of bad, so I wash my hair frequently, and I typically use a dandruff shampoo, and this is a clarifying shampoo. It has eucalyptus and rosemary and peppermint. I think it's the peppermint and eucalyptus that's giving me that tingling feeling in my scalp. But this is very good, and it cleanses my scalp, but it doesn't overly dry my hair, so that's why I like this shampoo. But I also use, I don't shy away from other dandruff shampoos as long as it is clear. I don't want buildup in my hair, so I typically stay away from heavy shampoos or that thick white shampoos and different colored shampoos. I don't use those. So also for oil, I use jojoba oil. I have a little spray bottle, not always this brand, just whatever. I run over to Whole Foods and I grab a jojoba oil, and I have a spray bottle, and I just spray after I wash my hair. I spray a little on my scalp and just kind of massage it in, and that helps. Not too much oil, but just a little bit so that it doesn't get overly dry. And then I sit under my little blow dryer, hair dryer. I'll show you that next. But that's typically, these two are typically what I've been using for shampoo, for oil, and not all the time. When I wash my hair, definitely every time that I wash my hair, I separate my hair. I just pull everything apart so that my locks don't start growing together. I call it like weeding my garden, just making sure that my parts and stuff are still there. So I separate my hair out when I wash my hair, and I'll just do like a light, just a light twist, like just a light twist, like this. Just grab one and just twist it over. I do that after I wash my hair. But if I want like a real retwist, if I want a real retwist, then I'll go ahead and I'll also use a gel. So this has been my tried and true for a while now. Echo Styling Gel, Echo Style Professional Styling Gel, olive oil, max hold 10, and it's supposed to moisturize hair and scalp, and there's no flaking. I don't get flaking with this, and I also don't get, it doesn't cause a lot of itchiness. So that's why I like this gel. It's really cheap. Again, this is not a sponsored video. These are products that I actually use. So this is what I'm using when I do retwist my hair with gel. But keep in mind, a lot of times I don't use gel. I just do that light little, while it's wet, after I wash it, just separate everything out, and I might do just a light twist like that. So those are the products that I'm currently using. And let's see, after I wash my hair, I sit under, I have like a hair dryer that, actually, let me go get that. So when I say that I'm sitting under the dryer, I don't have a hooded dryer. I have this that I bought from Amazon. Well, I didn't get this from Amazon. I don't remember where I got this from, but this is just a regular handheld blow dryer. But from Amazon, I got this contraption, and this it goes on your head. This goes on your head like this, and it does have a drawstring, so you can kind of tighten it up on your hair. And it has this little tube that leads to it, and at the end of this tube, I attach it to the handheld blow dryer. It has a little elastic thingy here that keeps it on, and then I turn it on and I sit under the dryer. I sit under this for about, 15-20 minutes, and after that, that's 15-20 minutes with all of my hair up on the top of my head under the cap. And then after that, I pull my hair down like this, and then I'll just put it on top of my head so that this part can get dry. The first part is just drying everything, but the second time when I have everything down, then I'm really trying to dry this part of my hair, and I sit under the dryer for another maybe 10 minutes. So I'm never under the dryer longer than maybe, you know, I'm not under the dryer that long. So, and I do that because I ran into a problem. I ran into a problem when at one point in my Loc journey, I was literally just kind of washing my hair, and it would still be really damp. And I would use my blow dryer to just kind of dry my hair like this with the diffuser. Well, not with that, but like this with the diffuser, and just dry it. But it would never get, of course, completely dry, because the longer your hair gets, the thicker it is, and the longer it takes to actually dry. So and then I would leave, and my hair would be wet like most of the day, and that's never a good thing. Again, when your locks are short, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't take as long for your hair to dry. But as your hair gets longer, it's kind of detrimental. It's not healthy for your hair to be wet that long, so that'll run you into some problems. So I make sure that I dry my hair at least for that amount of time before I go out and meet the world. And that helps because, again, my hair is not completely dry when I'm finished with the blow dryer or sitting under the little dryer contraption. It's not completely dry, but it's dry enough that it will dry within the next hour or so. It'll just be barely damp when I'm leaving my house. So that has helped me. And yeah, that's an update for my lock. So this is the length. This is the length right now. It's about to my waist. I can stand up and this is not good. I can stand up and give a different vantage point there. But yeah, this is how my locks are looking right now. This is a lock update. And I will, again, I'm refreshing my channel, so I'll have some additional videos of some items, not just hair, but hair, locks, products, different things that I'm using, but I also will weave into some fashion things that I wear, items that I like, just different parts of my lifestyle, movie reviews. I'm really into science fiction and drama, so I will, especially science fiction dramas are even better. But yeah, so I'll start doing that combination, adding those to my channel as well. So thumbs up if you like it, comment and subscribe. Thank you.